We'll find out the break-even points in this video for which you don't make money, you don't lose money. We have seen in the earlier videos the cost function, also the total revenue function. So the the revenue function look like something like this. The fixed cost is just fixed, doesn't change. So that's the fixed cost function. And then you have some variable cost which increases. So that's the total cost, say variable cost. So that's the total cost. As you can see, the line started from fixed cost. So each of these has that fixed cost added to it. So as you produce more, so let's say this is the demand or volume of production. So as you can produce more, then it costs more. So the total cost line will follow like this. This y-axis is cost and revenue, both things in here. And then so as you can see here at this point here, the total cost and the total revenue is same. Also in these points they are same. So to find break-even point, to solve this intersection point, you simply set the total cost is equal to total revenue. As simple as that. Total cost, I think that's just an L, is equal to total revenue. So if you remember, we have developed the total revenue function, total cost function. So it's going to be, let me write that down. So total cost is the fixed cost plus the variable cost, which is the per unit cost times the demand, and then total revenue is the price times demand, which is this value. Now let's just rearrange this. So minus b d square plus a minus cv times demand minus cf is equal to 0. So now if you solve for so this is something like, you can imagine, let me use a different pen. So this is something like a x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So as you can tell that you know how to solve for x now. In this case we are solving for demand. So d is equal to minus a minus b. So I'm losing my words here. But you know that formula, minus 4ac, in this case minus b cf, and then that would be square root of that divided by 2a, which a is minus b here. So that's the break-even point. So if you use the minus sign, you'll get the first break-even point. So that's equation number something, I don't know, we'll be using solving problems. If you use the minus sign, you get this gone. The plus sign, you get this point like that.